In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted transactions on QuickBooks. If you've ever accidentally deleted a transaction or wondered where some past records might have disappeared to, don't worry. QuickBooks keeps a record of these changes, and I'll show you how to easily access them in just a few simple steps. First things first, begin by signing into your QuickBooks account. Head over to the login page and click on Sign In. You should see an option to choose QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and select it. After that, enter your credentials, which are your username and password, then click Continue. Once you're inside your QuickBooks dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Reports tab. You'll find this tab easily within the main navigation menu. Clicking it will take you to a new section where you can generate various reports about your business finances. With the Reports tab open, you'll see a search bar. Type in Audit Log here. This particular tool is incredibly useful because it provides a comprehensive log of all activities within your QuickBooks account, including any modifications or deletions of transactions. After typing Audit Log, you should see it appear in the search results. Simply click on it to open. Once you're in the audit log, it's time to fine-tune your search to find deleted transactions specifically. You'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Events. Click on it and look for the option that says Deleted Voided Transactions. Select this to filter the results so you can view only the transactions that were either deleted or voided. Finally, click on the list of deleted or voided transactions. Here you'll see a comprehensive list of all transactions that have been altered in this way. You can click on each entry to get more details, such as when the transaction was deleted and any other relevant information you might need for your records. Remember, keeping an eye on the audit log is a great habit to get into, as it helps you track activities in your account. It's especially useful for maintaining transparency and accountability in your business. If there's ever a discrepancy in your records, you can quickly determine what happened and address any issues promptly. So there you have it, a simple way to find deleted transactions using QuickBooks. Always remember to handle your financial data carefully and regularly, back up your records to prevent accidents and ensure your business runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.